When installing your aluminum railing assembly, a few simple tools will be required: a caulking gun, a non-marking rubber mallet, protective film wrap, and a long, clean, flat surface, preferably a long, flat table, to serve as your assembly platform. The deck railing assembly consists of 5 key components. 4 different rail components consisting of the RT100 top rail, the RT101 top rail punch, the RB100 bottom rail, and the RB101 bottom rail punch. And the 5th component is the notched deck picket. Pickets are available in either a 36 or 42-inch high railing system, depending on your railing project needs. You're now ready to begin the deck rail assembly. In this example, we're going to show you the installation of a 36-inch high rail assembly. 42-inch high rail systems are also available using the same rail components and a longer picket. To begin step 1 of your deck railing assembly, take your RT101, the smaller piece of the 2 top rail components with the punched notches in it, and your RB101, that's the bottom rail component with the punched notches in it. Lay them on the flat surface with the punch notches facing upwards as shown. You're now ready to begin step 2, the installation of the pickets into your railing assembly. Insert your first end picket between the notched top and bottom rail components, making sure the grooves in the pickets are positioned at top and bottom as shown. Install a second picket at the opposite end and a third picket at the center of the rail. This will help sturdy the rails while installing the remaining pickets into the assembly. Gently lay the remaining pickets across your 2 rails and complete snapping the rest of the pickets into the notched grooves of your top and bottom rail components. Use the palm of your hand to apply pressure as needed and ensure the pickets are snapped into place. After you have completed installing all the pickets, do an inspection to make sure all the pickets are all firmly snapped into place. Step 3 is the snap assembly, mating the top and bottom rail components. Apply a construction adhesive to the top and bottom rail to reinforce and strengthen the mating of the rail components. Beginning at one end of the RT100 top rail and the RB100 bottom rail, apply a small short bead of construction adhesive approximately 2 inches long, and repeat the process down the length of the mating rails at approximately 24-inch intervals. Ensure the adhesive is applied to the correct groove location shown here, to ensure no adhesive is visible when the rails are snap-fitted together. After applying the construction adhesive as shown, mate the second half of the RT100 top rail to the RT101 top rail punch with the pickets you've already assembled. Align the RT100 with the mating RT101 as shown. Repeat the process, mating the second half of the RB100 bottom rail to the RB101 bottom rail punch with the pickets you have already assembled. Again, align the RB100 with the mating RB101 as shown. In step 4, you snap lock the top and bottom rail components together using a rubber mallet, moving down the length of the rails to mate the rails firmly together. Angle your mallet slightly to the corner of the rail as shown when making contact with the rail. When this is complete, flip the railing to the reverse side and using your rubber mallet, repeat the rail mating process down the entire rail section to ensure the rail is tightly snapped together. When the rails are snapped together, do a thorough inspection to make sure all seams are locked together and there are no gaps between the rail seams. And the final step, place a protective shrink-wrap film over the top rail of the completed rail to protect the rail for storage and delivery, especially if the rail is not being installed right away. As you can see, the assembly of your star deck railing section is quickly and easily accomplished, and constructing a sturdy yet lightweight railing assembly is easy enough for one person to lift and handle. Once installed, you have a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing railing requiring little or no maintenance for years to come.